The Redmi Note 15 Ultra 5G is a bold statement from Xiaomi, redefining what's possible in the mid-premium smartphone segment. Designed to impress both tech enthusiasts and everyday users, the device is packed with top-tier hardware and forward-thinking features. At the heart of the phone lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, one of the most powerful chipsets available, delivering flagship-level performance across gaming, multitasking, and intensive applications. Whether you're editing 4K videos, playing graphics-heavy games, or switching between multiple apps, the Note 15 Ultra handles it all with ease, thanks also to its generous RAM and storage options. One of the most groundbreaking features is the 300MP primary camera sensor, a record-setting specification that opens new possibilities for mobile photography. This ultra-high-resolution sensor, supported by advanced AI processing, captures stunning detail, color accuracy, and clarity even in low light. Accompanying the main sensor is a high-quality ultra-wide lens and a dedicated macro or depth sensor, offering a versatile shooting experience for all types of users, from casual snap shooters to serious content creators. Powering this advanced hardware is a massive 8,000 mAh battery, which is significantly above industry standards. It ensures that users can go well beyond a full day of heavy usage without worrying about recharging. And when it's time to power up, the super-fast charging technology, likely around 120W, though unconfirmed, gets the phone back to 100% in under an hour. The device also features a vibrant and immersive 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, delivering ultra-smooth visuals and vivid color reproduction, perfect for streaming, gaming, and general use. Additional highlights include 5G connectivity for ultra-fast network speeds, an in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and a premium glass or metal build that rivals flagship devices. Overall, the Redmi Note 15 Ultra 5G is more than just a phone. It's a powerful, future-ready device that sets a new benchmark for what consumers can expect at its price point.